Olivier BOVIS, they offers the SONY and the IP technology for the broadcast.
So, from Sony we have a strategy that was started actually about a few years ago, where we started deployment on IP and became a member as well of quite a few associations across Europe. You know, for example, AMOA being one of those examples, where we started to work on the deployment of IP technology. We started many years ago with an internal development, and then we started to contribute to all the industry bodies, technological deployment. The last articulation of this evolution and I would say demonstration of the commitment from Sony has been the final acquisition of Nevion that you may know. About a year ago we started investing a share into the company, and we took the decision to actually make the full acquisition of Nevion because it complements the portfolio of Sony very, very well. They cover the infrastructure part, we tend to cover the edge device, and the combination of the two companies and the skills present in the company in terms of architecture design, technology development and so on was making complete sense. So the heart of what we do now is to focus a lot on identifying business prerogatives of customers, extracting those and trying to convert them into operational benefits to help directions such as remote production deployment, for example, or complete infrastructure redesign, and we do that by combining the resource and efforts from both Sony and Nevion team.
Nevion is a strategic acquisition from Sony for this award. Actually, where is the state of the integration of the Nevion in Sony?
Well, we are in a process of continuing to integrate the two companies together. There are a lot of internal processes which are simply how we align the team together and so on. But the essence of it overall is to really complement the two teams because they are very complementary skill sets together. So for example, together, the Nevion sales team and the Sony sales team start to work hand in hand because they have also characteristics of more architecture design. For example, they have a series of very, very skilled system architects that are working hand in hand with our own team now, for example, to deploy. The marketing team together are working also together because they once again complement their lineups. So it's a real, let's say, 1 + 1 = 2 story that is taking place now, where those two resource sets are complementing each other on a daily basis.
The most important project in this moment for Sony in the world for the IP production?
Well, we have many projects. It will be very difficult to extract one across multitudes of projects. I would say that we try to focus on first aligning the organization together worldwide, which I think is very, very important. And in each of those geographies we have multitudes of customers both into the broadcast and the telco space. I think these are probably the two main areas that we serve in general. So it's difficult to give you one particular name in particular, but we have projects on delivery and some which are being worked on as we speak.
The most important point of this technology for your line product?
That's probably a question more to ask to my Nevion colleague, who certainly would give more justice to the technology itself. But on our side, there are two elements. One is our technology today integrates with each other to a certain level very well, but we're also working to see how we can actually link even better and stronger the two lineups that the two companies are coming with together independently. And those two subjects are treated completely in parallel. So we are making evolution of our systems to integrate with each other even more fluidly, more easily. And we're also talking with our engineers to actually make sure that the next generation of products in a few years to come will have even tighter integration of the two technologies together. And that's something that is really being worked out as I'm speaking now.
Olivier BOVIS for digitalproduction.tv. Thank you.
Thank you.